Hey guys, Manak here, and this is the shader that I made, and this will be the final result. So yeah, hope you enjoy the devlog. And if you want this shader, I am making a tutorial on it. Like, keep an eye out on my channel, and you will get the tutorial, in-depth tutorial on how to make this water shader. Also subscribe. I'm so close to 150 subs. Hey guys, Manaki Senpai here and welcome to my devlog. This is my game Heilmwater. I'm currently working on it. It's a top-down, old-school Zelda style game with slight elements of Metroidvania thrown around and MOBA style combat, that is League of Legends style combat. So I'm making 4 tileset right now. I'm just making the corners one. Now I'm making the inner corners, and then I'll make the stairs one. It's so hard to make the stairs line up properly, like to make them tile properly. So hard. So yeah, I'm making the pillar ones right now, the ones that will be out of ground, which is this one. And now I'm making the stairs. The front stairs are fine, yeah, okay, you can just it's straightforward, you can tile it, right? But the side ones are so hard because they are vertical, like they are slanting, and it's orthogonal perspective, so you have to nail the perspective right and make sure that they tile properly. Just like so hard. I do end up making them tile properly, luckily, thank god. So yeah, these are the stairs. I know it's going very fast, but like this is like 10 hours footage, so I need to speed it up. And that was inside it. So right now I'm working on the Alice time lapse. This is the character, the first character you'll meet, and this is like a main story character, very important for the game. So yeah, the tutorial character, the person you will meet in the forest area, is this. So you start the game and then you'll meet her, and basically she will tell you to get a flower. For that you need to use dash, which is basically dash tutorial, telling player how that they can use dash or to go over slopes and obstacles and stuff. So yeah, just doing the line art first. By the way, the home screen person is this person only, the person you see in the home screen, or what do I mean, the title screen of my game that you saw at the intro. So yeah, I'm looking at references and then making the armor. Was in the title screen there wasn't this headpiece, so I had to design it myself. So yeah, pretty happy with how it turned out. The armor looks nice. So I'm just designing a logo for the Dorima area to put it on her armor and stuff. And now I'm just doing the color, adding shadows, and now I'm adding highlights. Wow, that part was faster than line art. Oh, surprising. And that was the face. And now I'm designing the character from Maple's comic, which is Heilmwater, Maple's comic, which is the webtoon, which will air sometimes, I don't know. This is Tsubomi, very similar to Maple, same race, another main character kind of person. So I'm designing Tsubomi, making that kimono right now, and then adding the highlights and stuff, changing colors, and I'll add the floral pattern now. Yeah, copy paste. And now I'll make the other parts, which is like the backside and stuff, because by the way, if you don't know, I'm doing concept art, so for future references. So depending on character and what parts are important and stuff, you need more stuff. Like, so this thing is on her back, so I need to make a concept art where it's clearly shown, so that stays for me as a reference for whenever I need to draw it. So now this is another reference for it, so when I need to draw that part, so where infection is and stuff. By the way, that thing is void infection story stuff, blah blah blah. You'll know when you'll read the this video is sponsored by Neat. He's a game developer friend of mine who is working on this game called Super Neat Cat, and here's the trailer of it, and he's about to put it on Steam. And I can only imagine like the tension and anxiety he must be having right now, because like putting a game on Steam, holy shit, like I can't imagine. He must be so stressed right now. So, I'm doing my part. What can I do? I don't really have that many subs, but it would be great if you check this out and wishlist it on the Steam, because it helps him with the Steam algorithm. So you better go there and wishlist it. Okay, so it's Wednesday and I finished my assignment, and that's why last Sunday there was no devlog, because I was doing my assignment and I finally can do stuff. So before I start making my game, I'm playing Genshin Impact, and there's a lot of Okay, so what I'm saying is there's a lot of good level design and pretty stuff that I can use for my game. So I'm like looking at stuff here. See, stairs and stuff. It's good. Like the bridge and stuff. It's pretty, if I say so myself. Hey, the castle. Yeah. This is the starting town, by the way. I just started the game, so I'll just start by making the water shader. So what I'm thinking is I'll put a shut up Windows Defender. I'll put a water tile, and on top of that there will be a transparent shader, and then on top of that there will be a reflection, or the shader will be on top and reflection will be slightly below that layer. We'll see. So let's make, anyways, so I'll continue making the shader and I'll be back. Alright, so we have quite realistically looking water right here anyways, so yeah, we do quite have some realistic water thingy going on. We can like blend alpha and put like beach blending stuff under it too, like a sprite. There are a lot of possibilities that can be done with this. So anyway, I'll keep working on it. You look at that. Holy shit, it works! It works! Oh my god, it works! Can you believe that? Let's set the strength to 1 and this 2 defaults. So that's it. Hell yeah! Dude, water shader works. Water shader works, dude. Hell yeah! Oh my god. Hell yeah, dude. Let's go, bitch. Also, why does English has such weird spelling? Clearly, like busy is spelled bussy instead of bisy, I guess. BC, no, bussy. What? Busy. That's weird. Or anyways, finally my Unity open. So let's make this texture better. So yeah, we have our water. Fancy water. Okay, nice. So now we have our thing. If I remove the point light and let's go from the scene. Alright, so let's see how it looks when sun rises and stuff. See the water? Looks so nice, right? Oh my god, I mean, it looks very watery, if you know what I mean. So as the sun rises, the water should be more watery. Imagine once I add the reflections, how good it will look. Like, it will look so good. So around 5-minute mark, the sun should be pretty up, and the water should look pretty good too. So yeah, sun is pretty much center now, and the water is very watery. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe because I'm so close to 150 subs, and share this video with your friends. Share this on your Discord server and stuff. See ya in the next video. Bye bye. Heilmwater hype, baby.